To open the hood, there's a lever right here below your dash. Just pull forward to pop the hood. Then here in the middle of the grill, you'll put your fingers in the middle and push it to the right and lift up this little latch here. Your windshield washer fluid cap is this here in the front corner. You can just open this cap up. In this case, you can't really see the fluid level from the top. You can if you crawl underneath, but it's very difficult. But it's okay to fill this all the way up. So you can use a funnel or pour straight from the jug. This is okay to spill a little bit of because it's not corrosive. I think the full capacity of this jug is 1 gallon. After you've got your showing on the tank there, you can just close your cap up and you're done. We're in a cooler climate in Kentucky, so we use a -20 windshield washer fluid. So windshield washer fluid and de-icer. If you're in southern states, you may not need de-icer. In northern states, you may need lower than -20.